Hello, fellow content creators and aspiring YouTubers. Welcome back to my channel, the go-to destination for all things YouTube growth. Today, we're diving deep into the world of content creation and sharing some valuable insights on how to grow on YouTube. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your channel to the next level, this guide is for you. Define your niche. The first step in growing on YouTube is defining your niche. What's your passion? What sets your content apart? Find your niche and cater your content to a specific audience. This not only helps you stand out, but also attracts viewers genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Quality over quantity. While consistency is key, always prioritize quality over quantity. Focus on creating engaging, well-produced content that resonates with your audience. Invest time in scripting, editing, and refining your videos. Remember, a few high-quality videos will outperform a flood of mediocre content. Master SEO techniques. Understanding YouTube's search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for growth. Conduct keyword research to discover what your target audience is searching for. Incorporate relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags. This will boost your video's visibility and attract organic traffic. Engage with your audience. Building a community is at the heart of YouTube's success. Engage with your audience through comments, social media, live streams. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and make your viewers feel like they're part of something special. This not only strengthens your community, but also signals to YouTube that your content is valuable. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborations are a powerful way to expand your audience. Reach out to other YouTubers in your niche for potential collaborations. This cross-promotion introduces your channel to new viewers and provides a fresh perspective for your existing audience. Optimize your thumbnails and titles. Your video thumbnail and title are the first things potential viewers see. Make them irresistible. Create eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your content. Craft titles that are both intriguing and searchable. This combination will increase click-through rates and improve your video's chances of being recommended by YouTube. Utilize analytics. Knowledge is power, and YouTube Analytics is your secret weapon. Dive into your analytics regularly to understand your audience's behavior. Identify what works well, what needs improvement, and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Analytics provide invaluable insights that can guide your channel's growth. Promote your videos strategically. Don't rely solely on YouTube's algorithm to promote your videos. Share them on your social media platforms, relevant forums, and collaborate with influencers to widen your reach. Strategic promotion increases visibility and attracts diverse audiences. Stay informed and evolve. Lastly, stay informed about the latest YouTube trends and algorithm changes. Adapt your content strategy to align with what's working on the platform. Continuous learning and evolution are key to long-term success on YouTube. As we wrap up, remember that growing on YouTube is a journey, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay consistent, and most importantly, stay true to your passion. With dedication and the right strategies, you're well on your way to unlocking the full potential of your YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, happy creating!